Good morning, everyone. Today I'll speak on the topic dogs, man's best friend. A dog is called as man's best friend because of its loyalty, courage, and unconditional love. From ancient times, dogs have lived with humans and shared a strong bond. They have amongst the first animal to be domesticated and have helped humans in hunting, gathering, and protecting their homes and environment. One of the most important qualities of dog is loyalty. A dog never abandons its owner even in difficult situations. It stands by its master in happiness as well as in danger. There are many real life stories where dogs have saved their owners from accidents, fires, and even attacks. This shows their selflessness nature and deep emotional attachment to humans. Dogs also play an important role in society. They are trained in police and military forces to detect bombs, drugs, and explosives. Rescue dogs help locate missing people during natural disasters like earthquake and floods. Dogs assist visually challenged people while therapy dogs help patients recover from stress, trauma and depression. Apart from service dogs also provide companionship. In today's busy life, many people feel lonely and stressed. A dog brings joy, comfort, and emotional support to a family. Taking care of dog also teaches responsibility, discipline and compassion, especially to children. However, being a friend also means caring for them properly. We must provide dogs with food, shelter, medical care, and love. Street dogs should also be treated kindly and not abused as they too depend on humans for survival. Moreover, dogs are excellent learners and can be trained to perform complex tasks and discipline and accuracy. In conclusion, dogs are truly man's best friend because of their loyalty, service, and emotional bond with humans. They protect us, help us, and remain faithful throughout their lives. Therefore, it is our duty to treat them with kindness and respect and value their friendship. Thank you.